fighter.
Yep.
Taking line. Bastard. Wow. He's a fighter, all right. Big fish, I think.
Come on up the middle.
He doesn't want to come. Should I bring him in the slack? Steer him in this slack? Or might be easier if I get him. Maybe not. He doesn't want to go there, but here he comes.
Nice.
Okay, I'm getting a little bit on.
The closer he gets.
Here he comes over. All right. Oh. I'm going to sweep him here in a second. Nice job, David. Woo. Here's a good fighter. Couldn't get him out of that current. Felt bigger than he is, but he's a nice one.
Nice little male.